5 big questions that science still can't answer. We all are living in the science world, a world where each phenomena is governed by laws of physics. Well, as for each thing we have developed certain theories that could work out in the right way. From the invention of will to stepping foot on moon, we have come a long way, but still there are some mysteries that humans have no answer to. The laws of physics and even physics can't explain some mysteries. Let's take a look at them. What caused the Big Bang? We all know about the Big Bang theory? Right. At its simplest, it says the universe as we know it started with a small singularity, then inflated over the next 13.8 billion years to the cosmos that we know today. All the universe we know today was contained in an apple-sized space, a point of infinite density and gravity. And that before this event, space and time did not exist. Which means the Big Bang took place at no place and no time. But what caused the Big Bang to happen? Is this universe is created by God or it just happened by accident? What made the singularity to explode? Nobody actually knows what led the Big Bang to happen. What is at the center of black hole? Produced from the implosion of massive stars, black holes are wells in the fabric of space-time so deep that nothing, not even light, can escape them. At the center of a black hole is what physicists theorize singularity, or a point where extremely large amounts of matter are crushed into an infinitely small amount of space. But what is singularity actually? When a person passes the event horizon of a black hole, or what we say the point of no return, then according to physicists, he will fall towards the singularity twisted and stretched in a process called spaghettification, and will ultimately break down into atoms. But what if this is not the reality? What if singularity is not as we think? What if singularity is the gateway to another galaxy? Because each galaxy has a black hole at the center, the singularity can act as a wormhole. But still we have no idea about what actually lies within singularity. Is time travel possible? Could we go to future and see what it really looks like, or go back into the past and see who actually built the pyramids at Giza? But is time travel possible? Could we move within timelines of time? Einstein's theory of special relativity says that time slows down or speeds up depending on how fast you move relative to something else. Approaching the speed of light, a person inside a spaceship would age much slower than his twin at home. If anyone could go faster than light, which travels at 186,282 miles per second in vacuum, he or she would experience time dilation. But here is a problem: Einstein equations, though, show that an object at the speed of light would have both infinite mass and a length of 0. This appears to be physically impossible. Also, according to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity can bend time. Time dilation around black holes is one way. You rotate around a black hole in spaceship and you will experience time dilation. However, if you need this to happen, you need to travel faster than speed of light, according to Stephen Hawking. Which, as we know, is not possible as of now. Or simply, can we invent time machine in real? Time machines could help us to travel through time. But as scientists say that for the functioning of a time machine, it need an exotic form of matter with so-called negative energy density. Such exotic matter has bizarre properties, including moving in the opposite direction of normal matter when pushed. Who knows that one day this time machines will help us to travel through time. How did life begin on Earth? 4 billion years ago, something started stirring in the primordial soup. A few simple chemicals got together and made biology. The first molecules capable of replicating themselves appeared. We humans are linked by evolution to those early biological molecules. But how did the basic chemicals present on early Earth spontaneously arrange themselves into something resembling life? How did we got the DNA? What did the first cells look like? Nobody knows how life as we know came into being. Was it a meteorite who carried life within? Or we are the results of some weird scientific research of extraterrestrial life? And the biggest of them all: does extraterrestrial life exist? It's been decades that we are looking for the aliens. Since the WOW signal, the search for alien life took a new direction. And we didn't know if some extraterrestrial civilization is out there in the far stretches of the universe. And we did not know if we are in a galactic zoo. There are more than 2 trillion galaxies in the universe and countless of stars and planets, and the probability of a planet to harbor life in this vast universe is huge. But why the universe is not teeming with life? Why the universe is not filled with galactic-sized civilizations? If there are advanced species out there, then why they are not contacting us? Are they afraid of us? Well, at last, the famous Fermi paradox and the search for aliens' life continues.